1970, let's say brake repair job, 1970 Volkswagen van, loosening bolts with a pipe. Let's see what happens in this video. Whoop, pause that, make it bigger. What happened there? All right, there's the breaker bar. See the spare tire under there, so when it falls, assume it's going to fall. It lands on there, and then you can get it back up off the ground easily. And there we go. It's not that easy. I put down the phone. I'm pretty sure I put down the phone and then used both hands, and then I cranked it on over. I'm guessing I had my left hand up here and my right hand here just kind of holding it. Of course, I didn't have my knuckles or my fingers in there. You can see it. Yikes. Oh, there we go. And then once you get it loose, I did. There you go. Once you get it loose, just take off the breaker bar and loosen up the other one before you take off of this one. There we go. Oh, there's two more down there. It ain't rocket science. You'll get it. All right. That's the end of that thrilling video.